Direct Fabrics. Today we're going to be looking at bay windows and made to measure bay windows, how you're going to measure your bay and how you're going to install a product and decide which product to go for. We'll go back to the office and I'll show you some examples later, but initially we're looking at a 5-sided bay. Quite easy to miss this one, there's a very slight return here. So what we're going to do when measuring, we take from the front of the bay at this point to the middle of the break, to the next break, and all the way round. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, F. This is all on our website, all the information on how to measure. Don't worry about it being exact. There is some slight tolerance and we can adjust for that depending on the fixing. If it's ceiling fixed, we're going to bring it in, but we will make these deductions for you. So what I'm going to do initially is go A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and then I'm going to measure A to C, A to D, A to E, A to F, and then do the reverse. F to B, F to C, F to D. And then we've got all the measurements, and then we can configure how your bay window is going to fit on this. In this example, we're going to go with, the client's already got pinch pleat curtains, so we're going to set it as tight to the window as we can so we stop any light bleed around the edge. And we're going to keep the pole or track, depending on which one they were going to choose, within the reveal here. So we've got a little bit of tolerance, but not a huge amount. We're top fixing, so checking what your substrate is. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Thank you. So we've actually installed this. I totally forgot to record the second part of the video, but I'll explain how we've installed it. So my colleague and I have offered it up to the window just to check that it all fitted. We've joined in the middle. We've then moved left and right slightly because there's a little bit of play and it's top fixed just to make sure it's equidistant on both sides. Again, we've allowed that slight bit of tolerance in case we haven't measured into the recesses correctly. And then if you come up behind here, you can see the bracketry. And we've just held up, pencil mark all the way around, and that's given us a nice straight line running through into plasterboard. In this example, we've used red wall plug Unos, which is probably our chosen fixing for plasterboard. 6mm drill bit straight through, can fit into timber masonry or plaster, and that's given us a nice solid fix in there. The distancing approximately up to 80 centimetres. We've allowed a little bit less, and we've put 2 on these sides just to allow a bit more where the stack is. Glider's running beautifully through. If you're interested in this product or a made to measure bay window track or pole, please get in touch with us. The website is directfabrics.co.uk. Thank you. So we've completed our installation and rehung the client's curtains, all set quite well. The pinch pleats sitting nicely on there. The blackout on the trash, obviously there's a slight little bit of light seepage, which you'll get with most curtaining products. But overall, a nice finish. Gliding really smoothly around both the bends. Slight adjustment perhaps on the pin hooks, but overall, the client's very happy. We're happy with the installation, all nice and secure and firm. Any questions, please contact the team. Thank you.